Welcome to the 7x24 Exchange Spring Conference at the JW Marriott Hill Country Resort in San Antonio, Texas. We're excited to be back hosting a live event, and the mission-critical industry showed its support in a big way.
It's where we have to be to do our business, and this is the kind of networking opportunity that we look forward to.
It was really great to hear all of the enthusiasm around not just women in mission critical, but also underrepresented populations as well.
It's kind of like learning a language. You can do it online, but if you want the real immersive experience, that's what 7x24 is. And if you want to learn the data center language, you got to be here in person for it.
The program's conference keynote was delivered by Shannon Huffman-Paulson, one of the first U.S. Army female Apache helicopter pilots and captains, and the author of The Grit Factor.
Grit is innate to every single one of us. We're going to need it in these times of change, in these times of challenge. We're going to talk about where it is every single one of us can find it.
She was awesome, and I actually was able, through the app, to message her and thank her for a really great, motivating speech.
Attendees also heard from Chris Crosby and Nancy Novak of Compass Data Centers.
How would you possibly be able to know how to become an IT tech or a facility tech or something along those lines in our industry without the internet? It'd be impossible.
Doing this is good for everybody. It's good for business, it's good for government, it's good for the GDP, it's good for global opportunities.
In addition, speakers from Microsoft, Google, QTS, Vertiv, the U.S. Department of Defense, Cyxtera, the University of Texas at Arlington, Schneider Electric, and the Open Compute Project rounded out the program.
I'm a student at University of Texas at Arlington. I will get to learn how to work at professional level and how to work with other employees and how to work as a team. It was awesome.
When it comes to knowledge and networking with peers in the mission-critical industry, 7x24 Exchange continues to be the place to be and be seen.
I mean, there's nothing better than being in person and just being able to talk to people face-to-face versus through virtual. So it's this is really great.
Virtual meetings and stuff are wonderful, but they can't beat the actual being there, meeting with people, shaking hands.
There's something to be said for in-person networking, whereas the Zoom call just doesn't quite get it done.
Whether you visit us locally at one of our 28 chapters or at one of our biannual international conferences, 7x24 Exchange always provides the right mix of everything you need to succeed. Here are some highlights from the past few days, and we look forward to seeing you at a 7x24 Exchange conference real soon.
Welcome back to that same old place that you...
Welcome back. Isn't it great to be back? Damn, it's great to be back. I can't believe it. Ladies and gentlemen, the top woman in technology. Seven by 24 Exchange, recognized as the leading knowledge exchange for those who design, build, operate, and maintain mission-critical enterprise information infrastructures, was pleased to host the first mission-critical industry on-site conference since January 2020, the start of the coronavirus pandemic. Conference attendees were delighted to receive live education from industry experts, network with industry colleagues, take advantage of valuable information sharing, all in an environment designed to provide a memorable experience for conference participants and their guests. Although during 2020, 7x24 Exchange conducted a webinar series and developed an Info Exchange monthly e-newsletter to provide value. It became clear with close to 600 attendees that industry professionals prefer on-site conferences versus any type of virtual event. At the conference, there was a recap of 2020 and 2021 International Data Center Day virtual events and the latest initiative, The Power of One, meant to let everyone understand that success can be achieved individually as well as in groups. International Data Center Day is designed to create awareness of the data center industry and to inspire the next generation of talent. The success of the International Data Center Day initiative is mainly due to industry companies taking actions to engage students, sponsor and media support, and special programs designed for student participation. Most recently, we reached out to prominent mission-critical industry organizations, Data Center Dynamics, Infrastructure Masons, and Uptime Institute, as well as Mission Critical Magazine, for their support as industry partners. Their response was overwhelming in support of International Data Center Day, which will significantly increase the capability to reach students. On behalf of the Board of Directors, I would like to invite you to join us at the 2021 Fall Conference, October 24th to the 27th at the JW Marriott Desert Ridge in Phoenix, Arizona. It continues to be an honor and a privilege to serve as your chairman and CEO. I thank you for being part of 7x24 Exchange.